finish turning machine.
I am R. Murali Krishna. I am working with the product design and engineering group. I am a scientist here at CMTI. The finish turning machine is a special purpose automatic CNC machine for performing machine operations such as finish turning of outside diameter, grooving and chamfering on outside diameter of the piston rings. In addition, other operations such as loading, clamping, unloading and aligning of piston rings onto the output stacking unit are also performed automatically on the machine. The operator has to only fill the loading unit with pre-machined rings and he has to empty the machined rings from the stacking unit. The outside diameter of the component to be machined ranges from 70 mm to 160 mm. Thank you.